Hi everybody, I'm Joey and I'm here today to show you some sneak peeks of my Be Creative Club for October. So if you're already a member and you don't want to see the sneak peeks and you want to be surprised, then quit watching because I'm going to show the cards in just a little bit, a few minutes. I'm going to, after that, I'm going to talk about the club and then I'm going to show the sneak peek. So don't watch if you don't want to know. So my Be Creative Club is a subscription club. It's a monthly card club. You can subscribe anytime during the month. You're then charged that same date every month. And you have to sign up by the 10th of the month in order to get that month's Be Creative Club kit. So in other words, if you sign up now before October 10th, you'll get the October kit that I'm going to show you in a few minutes. If you sign up after October 10th, then you'll get November's kit. So that's how that works. And then you'll get 5 beautiful projects designed by me. You'll also get a goodie bag worth about $20 to $25 in the goodie bag of extra products that you can use on other projects. You'll get a PDF tutorial that has detailed instructions and multiple photos so that you can recreate the cards. And for that, I'm going to make sure I don't miss anything. I have a little list here. I'm just looking down and trying to be sure I don't miss something. It's $35 a month if you live locally. If you need it shipped to you, it's $6 more. So it's pretty reasonable and you do get a lot for your money, and I hope that you would be interested in it. What else you get? Okay, so and then if you're in it for 6 months consecutively, you will also get a $25 gift certificate from me for anything that you'd like. So you pick out your $25 worth and let me know, and I send it to you as a thank you from me for being a member for 6 consecutive months. The October club is the Rustic Crate. Rustic Crate stamps and dies. Had a little trouble getting that out. And I'll show it to you, and then I'll also tell you a little bit about supplies so that if you're interested, you want to check out, do you have the supplies to make it? Do you need to purchase the supplies? One other thing I offer my club members is they can purchase the bundle I'm using for retail price without tax and shipping, so that's another perk that I offer you. And the Rustic Crate bundle, I forgot to grab it. I put it away. I just put it away a few minutes ago. Totally forgot I was going to show you. So I'm going to just run and get it real quick. So hang on. If you're watching live, hang on a second. Okay, sorry about that. I cleaned up my desk space to start a new project, and I just forgot about keeping it out. So this is it. This is called the Rustic Crate, and it's pretty seasonal. You have one for fall, and you have a poinsettia for Christmas, and then there's also these maybe herbs or garden plants of some kind that can be used in spring or fall. So those are the stamps, and then several greetings, kind of year-round greetings. Every day with you is better. One is for you. One is good things take time, and one is blessed beyond measure, which I love that one. I've used it quite a bit. These are the dies. So these two make the crate, and it's really easy to make. If you want to see how I made it ahead of time, you can check my YouTube channel and look for the Rustic Crate class to go, because I show you how to assemble this. Now the Rustic Crate class to go is a class that you get for free when you order $35 or more from me this week. So we're using the host code. So there's a certain host code. I'll put it in the comments, or if you're watching on YouTube, I'll put it in the description of the video. But then all these other, you have a cute little hello die, and then these 3 cut out the images that you saw. There's a little pair of gloves here, and here's the crate. And then there's a lot of little details that you can put on the crate. There's also this little, like a nameplate or like a little frame on a box on a real crate that you would see. So those are the dies and the stamps. So let me show you quickly the cards, and then I'll let you know what supplies I used. So I'll give you just a real quick peek of these. You'll need some blends markers for these. Now I'm going to tell you the ones that I used, and then you can decide if you have those or if you have something similar you could use. And again, if you don't have this bundle or you don't want to purchase this bundle right now, you can use the class supplies to make 5 cards with whatever you have. I'll do all the die cutting of everything that isn't involved in the bundle. But anything that's in the bundle, I won't die cut for you, but you'll have all the supplies you need to make it. But I'll do all the embossing, I'll cut all the cardstock to size for you. I'll cut your pattern paper and everything like that. So in other words, this card has an embossing folder that used on it, and I will have that done for you. So those kinds of things I do for you ahead of time. And plus all the cards come with their own envelope. So as far as the supplies for this month, that you'll need are Memento black ink and crumb cake ink and fresh freesia ink. So those are the 3 ink pads I used. And then for the blends markers, I used Real Red, Daffodil Delight, Mossy Meadow, Granny Apple Green, Pumpkin Pie, Petal Pink, and Fresh Freesia. So those are the blends I used. I think that's all. I hope I covered everything. And if you want to try it for just 1 month, you can do that too for $42. So it's $35 normally. And then if you need shipping, it's $6, and that's $42 if you want to just try it for 1 month and not subscribe, and then you pay the shipping extra on top of that too. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. I'd love for you to reach out to me, and I can visit with you about it to see if it would be something that you think you'd enjoy. I'll put the link to sign up for Be Creative Club in the comments. So look there if you are interested, or contact me, and I'll be glad to visit or text or message you, however you want to communicate. All right, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next Wednesday for my live video at 12:30. Bye-bye.